In this video, let's talk about how we can access array items using their index. Previously, we have also learned that we can access each element in an array using their index. An array index starts from 0. Let's see, for example, this banana is present at the index 0. The counting starts from 0. This is the 0th index and the element present inside the 0th index is banana. This is 1 index, that is orange, this is 2 and this is 3. And the length of this array is going to be the elements how many elements present inside this array, that is 4 elements. That's the length of this array. So now let's consider an array of fruits here. I can access the banana here by accessing the 0th index of this array. If I say console log fruits index of 0, as you can see we are accessing banana that is present at the index 0. Similarly, I can access the next element by saying fruits of index 1. There we have the orange that is present at the index 1. That's how we can access array values using their index. Similarly, we can find the length of this array by saying, let's say console log fruits dot length. As you can see, we made some mistakes here. len, okay, that's my bad. As you can see, it prints out 4. Now let's try to find out the last index using this length of this array. I can say here const last index. We know that the counting starts from 0, right? This is storing 4. How can I find the last index to access this element? The length of the string is 4. Counting starts from 0. So simply all I have to do is I have to minus 1 from this fruit sort length. I will say here fruit sort length minus 1. Now if I say here console log fruits of last index, we are storing inside of the last index, it's gonna return 4 and we are gonna have minus 1, it's gonna store 3, and this fruits last index is gonna store 3 here. So it's gonna find out fruits inside of the fruits, it's gonna find out the element that is present inside the third index, or we can say last index. If I save that, as you can see, there we have our last element at index 3, that is last index. Similarly, let's talk about how we can modify an array element. As we all know that an array is mutable, meaning it is modifiable. Once an array is created, we can modify the contents of the array elements. For example, if I say here, let's just say fruits of 0, here I can say mango. We already have a mango, so what I'm doing here is I am replacing the element that is present inside the 0th index with mango. Let's see if that works or not. So I'm just gonna console log. So it's gonna replace this fruits array, that is this value banana, with mango. So if I console log the array now, as you can see, banana was replaced with mango here. That's how we can actually modify the array elements. Similarly, here I can say fruits of 2 here. Let's just say 2, that means we are targeting this element here. I'm going to replace banana here. Now if I console log the fruits array, as you can see, banana was replaced with mango, and this mango was replaced with banana here. That's how we can modify the array elements. That's it for this video. In the next video, we are going to talk about how we can manipulate arrays. So I will see you in the next one.